question number 6 and 7 of exercise 70B given in page number 230. The first question will be doing, that is question number 6. Now what is question number 6? A tree is broken by the wind as shown in figure. So this is the figure. So you can see that here one tree is broken. Suppose the tree was here and it broke and it was broken to your left hand side. So this is your broken tree. So what happens if the point from where it broke is 5 meters above the ground? So the point from where the tree has broken, the distance between the point where the tree has broken to ground, that is 5 meters, and its top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meters from its foot. So this is the top of the tree. So the distance between the top of the tree and the foot of the tree is 12 meters. So find the height of the tree before it broke. So you have to find the total height of the tree. That means you have to find this distance. So we are given 5 meter distance, that is from the point where tree has broken till the bottom. So this distance is given. So you have to find the total distance. So to find total distance, we have to find this distance first, that is AC. That is, if this tree, if I put it in straight position, what will happen? We will get the height of the tree. So first, if you find this distance, that's AC, what will happen? This distance, if I plus with 5 meters, I will get the height of the tree. So first, I will find this distance, that is AC. So with the help of Pythagoras theorem, we will find the distance AC. So what is the formula for finding Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square. So this is your hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square equals to base square plus altitude square, height square, that is BC. That is AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. So AC square you have to find, AC you have to find. So AB is how much? 12 meters. So 12 square. BC is how much? 5 meters. So 5 square. So AC square equal to 12 square is 144. 5 square is 25. Okay. So AC square equals to 144 plus 25, that is 169. So when we find AC, we have to remove this square. To remove this square, we put 1 square root on 169. So the square root of 169 is 30. So this distance, that AC is how much? 30 meters. So when I put this broken tree into straight position, it becomes 30 meters. So 30 meters plus 5 meters equals to 80 meters. This will be your total height of the tree. So the height of the tree becomes 30 meters plus 5 meters, that is 80 meters. So this way we can solve question number 6. Now let's see another question, that is question number 7.
So question number 7. Two chimneys 18 meter and 30 meter high stand upright in a ground. So there are two chimneys. This is one chimney and this is one chimney. So this chimney's height is 13 meter from here to here, and this chimney is 18 meter from here to here. And what more is given? If their feet are 12 meter apart, then find the distance between their tops. So if their feet are 12 meter apart, means this base is given from here to here. What is the distance? 12 meter. Clear? So we have to find the distance between their tops, means from here to here we have to find AD, distance between their top. So we have this distance, that is 12 meter. This in this will be equal, that is we have 12 meter, and we have to find this distance. To find this distance, that is hypotenuse, we need to know this AE. We have to know AE. So as you all know that this, if I draw a imaginary line here, so from distance between here to here, means from here to here is 18 meter. So most probably this distance will be also 18 meter. So what will be the remaining distance? Means from here to here. From here to here means AE. So AE will be 18 meter minus 13 meter. So how much you will get? 5 meter. So this will be how much? 5 meter. From here to here it is how much? 13 meter, same. So what will be the remaining distance? 5 meter. Clear? That is 18 meter minus 13 meter. So AE we got 5 meter. Now we have this distance and this distance. Can we find this distance? Yes, with the help of Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem, so we have to find the distance AD. So to find AD, so AD will be AD square equal to DE square plus AE square. DE will be your base, that is 12 meter, that is 12 square, and AE is height or height, AE. So AE square. So we'll substitute the value. DE is how much? 12 meter, that is 12 square, and AE is how much? AE is 5 meter, so 5 square. So AD square equal to 12 square is how much? 144, and 5 square is how much? 25. So 144 plus 25 is how much? 169. So AD square equal to 169. So we have to remove this square. To remove this square, we'll put one square root sign. So the square root of 169 is 13. So we got this distance, that is AD, that is distance between their tops, how much? 13 meter. So this way we have solved two questions, question number 6 and question number 7. Thank you, students.